To create a fiat wallet on Crypto.com, start by opening the Crypto.com app and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the sign-up process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Wallet section of the app, typically found at the bottom of the screen. In the Wallet section, you will see a list of your existing wallets, including any cryptocurrency wallets you may have already created. To create a fiat wallet, tap the Add Wallet button, usually represented by a plus symbol. This will bring up a list of available fiat currencies, such as the US dollar, euro, or British pound. Select the fiat currency you want to create a wallet for. You will then be prompted to verify your identity and comply with any relevant Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations. This may involve uploading a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and providing proof of address. After your identity has been verified, you can proceed to set up your fiat wallet. You will need to provide your bank account details, including the account number and routing number, in order to link your bank account to your fiat wallet. Once your bank account has been linked, you can deposit funds into your fiat wallet using a bank transfer. The funds will then be available to use for purchasing cryptocurrencies or other transactions on the Crypto.com platform. It is essential to note that creating a fiat wallet on Crypto.com may involve certain fees, such as deposit and withdrawal fees, and that the availability of fiat wallets may vary depending on your location and the regulations in your jurisdiction. Always review the terms and conditions and fee schedule before creating a fiat wallet. By following these steps, you can create a fiat wallet on Crypto.com and start using it to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. Remember to always prioritize security and only use reputable and licensed cryptocurrency platforms.